Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you find the last shape that we drew on the board for yesterday? If we find that last shape, that will tell us what yesterday is, and that will help us figure out what today is. Can you tell me what it is? What shape is it? And the color? Let's see if your guess is correct. Let's have a look at the board. Where's our last shape? There it is, orange circle. Did you guess orange circle? Good job. So yesterday was this orange circle, and it was Friday, January 29th, 2021. So if this was yesterday, we're going to move one square over, and that will tell us what today is. So today is this square here, the last square in the row, and we need to put a shape here so that we can remember where to come back to as we're working through our calendar. So what color shape do we need to put here? What do you think comes after orange circle in our pattern? Let's see if you're correct. Let's do our pattern together, okay? We'll start at the beginning and we'll say it together. And it's okay if you make some mistakes because we're all just learning. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. That was a lot to say in one bunch. Purple triangle. So do you have a calendar that you can draw a purple triangle on for today? If not, you can draw it on a piece of paper, or you can just draw a triangle up in the sky. Start at the top, go down on an angle and across and back up to the top. So we start at the top, come down on an angle, go across the bottom and back up to the top. And then we just color that in. What else do we need to put into our square to make it look like the other squares? There's something else that goes in the square that we need to know about the date. Did you say a number? A number is correct. All of these other squares have numbers in them, and this one doesn't. So we need to put a number in there. And this number was 29. What number comes after 29? When we're counting, what comes after 29? Let's count all the way from the beginning and see if our guess for today's number is correct. Are you ready? Count with me. If you don't know all your numbers, we'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Did you guess 30? That is a really big number. 30 is a 3 with a 0. That makes 30. Can you make a 30 with me? A 3 goes, start here and go around and around. And then a 0 goes around like a circle. Good job. So today is number 30, and we also say 30th with a th at the end because that's how we say our numbers when we talk about them in our calendar. So yesterday was Friday, and today is Saturday. Tomorrow we go back to the beginning and it will be Sunday. But today is Saturday. So let's put that into our sentence. So today is, those are our first two words of our sentence, and today is capitalized because it is the first word in our sentence. We always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. So we'll start with a capital S because it's the name of the day. So capital S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y, and then a comma. And that's telling us to pause for a second before we say the next thing, which is the month. Do you remember how many months are in the year? Let's see if you're correct. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months in the year. Do you remember how to say them? Let's say them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there's 12 months in the year, and we are in January. So capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. So we're going to put capital J, And then we're going to put the number here. So 30, 0, and a comma, and then we're going to put the year 2021. 2021, period. So the commas tell us to pause for 1 second in between the words, and then the period tells us to stop. There's nothing more to say in the sentence. So let's say it together. Today is Saturday, January 30th, 2021. Good job. Did you look outside and see what the weather was like today before we started our activities? Let's see. Is it cloudy where you live? I saw a little bit of clouds, but not a lot, but there was some clouds. Were they raining? Is it raining where you are? It wasn't raining here. Well, it's not snowing either. What about sunny? I did see some clouds, so it's not totally sunny. What about windy? Is it windy where you are? It's not windy here. Partly cloudy and partly sunny. The sun is out, but the clouds cover it up sometimes. So let's find it on our chart. Will you help me? The first one is sunny, but we want a sunny that has some clouds, right? Because it's not totally sunny. What about, cloudy? Well, we want some sun with our clouds, so not just cloudy. What about raining? Nope, we're not doing raining today. Snowy? Is it snowing outside? Nope, not snowing. Oh, here's one with a sun and a cloud. That's the one that we want today. And look at all the tally marks that we have today. Do you remember what this means when you have 4 tally marks and a slash? Do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go way up and come all the way across 5. So this one means 5, and we have 2 of them. So 5 plus 5 equals, what do you think? Let's count them up and see if we're correct, if that answer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Did you guess 10? That's a great answer. So we've had 10 so far, and now we're going to do another one. Will you make a tally mark with me? Put your finger up high to the sky and then strike it down. So if we had 10, 5, 10, plus 1 more. So 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals, let's see, 5, 10, 11. We've got 11 partly cloudy, partly sunny days in this month. That is a lot of partly sunny, partly cloudy days. Let's take a look at our agenda. So this is my agenda. What color is your agenda? I like green. So this is my name, C-E-L-Y-N-N-E, and then I have an apostrophe S. When you put an apostrophe S at the end of the name, that means that's yours. This apostrophe S behind my name means this agenda is mine. So let's open it up to today's day. Well, we'll do it to yesterday because we want to see if we did our activities for yesterday. And yesterday, I wanted to make a note for somebody, and I did that. I said, I love you. So I did that. Now let's go to today's day, which is Saturday. So we're going to start by putting the date on our page, capital S because it's the name of the day, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Are you practicing printing on your paper? If not, you can just say the letters with me. Capital J for January because it's the name of the month, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And do you remember what number it was? Let's peek. So close to the end. A 3 and a 0 is 30. So I ran out of space here, so I'm going to put it underneath 30, comma, 2021, 2021. And I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to 30. Will you practice with me on your paper? If you don't have a paper, you can just say the numbers with me. We'll practice our counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down to the bottom here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ran out of room, so I'm going to come back down here. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. That's a lot of numbers to practice, but we did it. And then I'm going to draw a cloud for our partly cloudy, partly sunny day and a sun peeking out. And today I am going to go skating. It is Saturday and it is winter and there are outdoor skating rinks where we can go skating. You can also go skating on ponds and lakes, but you need to make sure that they're frozen. So always ask an adult to make sure that it's safe before you go out on them. Lots of parks have skating rinks in their areas that you can go and skate with, and they're safe because there's no water underneath them. So I'm going to draw a pair of skates. Green skates in my imagination. They're not really green for me, for mine. Mine are actually black. I wear a hockey skates. There's different kinds of skates. There's speed skating skates, there's figure skating, and there's hockey skates. So I use a hockey skate. So I'm going to go skating today. I'm going to print my name. Whoops. I'm going to do capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. I want to practice printing my name every day so I get really good at it. But it also lets people know that this was my paper that I've been working on. If you don't know how to spell the day or the month, just practice one letter at a time. And I don't have a letter here because we actually practiced all the letters this month to make the word January. I don't know if you were with me yesterday, but I put it on the board. I'm going to put it on the board again for you today. So we did a J at the beginning of the month, and then the next letter that we did was an A. And then we did an N, and that spells Jan. Do you know what we're going to spell with this? Do you remember from yesterday? U, A, R. This is going to get tricky. I hope it doesn't fall down. Y. Let's see if they'll stick. Oh, they're going to stick. Yay! So we practiced a January. What does that spell? Sound it out. Jan-U-Airy. We spelled January together just by practicing one letter every day. So that was a lot of good practicing, and it was really helpful because now we can spell our first month of the year, January. So that was a wonderful activity that we did together, and I feel really proud. So this was my proud face from yesterday because I was so proud of you practicing your letters and learning how to spell January. January spells January. So you learned a new skill, something good that you can use in the future. So I was very proud of you yesterday, and I'm still very proud of you. Let's see, what else? What are the other emotions? Happy? I could be very happy and excited for you. What about nervous? Nope, I'm not really nervous today. Angry? No, I'm not angry either. What about sad? Are you sad today? Were you any of those emotions? I think that I am either happy or proud. Well, I was proud yesterday, so now I'm just happy because now we are just really good at doing something. And my excitement is a little bit over for us learning it. And now I'm just super happy that we can spell January together. So today, to do something kind, I'm going to help my friend with her skates because she doesn't know how to tie her skates yet. So when we go skating, I'm going to help her tie her skates. I'm also going to go to her house and knock on the door and walk with her to the skating rink so that she doesn't have to walk by herself. And that's a really kind thing to do too, because then your friend isn't lonely and your friend is also safe on her walk. So that's two kind things that I'm going to do for her today. What are you going to do today? Can you think of something nice to do? Something wonderful and kind? I hope you find something fun as well to do. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button. and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.